You're watching another vegan and vegetarian recipe brought to you by Beet's Kitchen. Today's key ingredient is beets, and we are making a golden beet salad. Wash and dry your beets, lightly coat with oil, season with salt and pepper, even fresh herbs, wrap with foil, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until cooked. Remove the skin by using a kitchen towel or paper towel. Place the beet in the center and gently use your thumbs to pull or rub on the skin, and the skin will easily remove from the beet. If it's not cooked, however, it will make the removal of skin very difficult. And now for the other ingredients. I have red leaf lettuce and a few strands of enoki mushroom. You can use red peppers here if you don't have enokis. I have thinly sliced red onion and green onion. In this recipe I'm using the small red onions. You can use shallots if you like, or just regular red onion. Some alfalfa sprouts. Feel free to leave these out if you don't have them. And some radish that I've kept in water. I've julienned some of the radish, very fine strips of radish over there. So very simple ingredients used here. Also a honey yogurt, which is salt, honey, a thick yogurt, tablespoon of water, and finely chopped chives. Let's prepare the beets by slicing them. Try having each slice about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. This will be good for the presentation and also give a good bite to the beet. Cut all the beets the same way, leaving the ends to one side. You may also want to cut the beets perhaps on a separate napkin, yellow on one, red on the other, but I'm just using the same napkin for this example. Let's start by preparing the other components of the salad. Remove the red leaf lettuce and the enoki mushrooms from the water and place between kitchen towel or paper towels to dry. You can use a salad spinner to dry the leaves. And now for a little bit of presentation, let's make an edible arrangement. Using red leaf lettuce, enoki mushrooms, and some chives. Start with your first layer being a wide or a bigger leaf, and then place a few smaller leaves on top of that towards the center. Repeat the process and use up most or all of the leaves. Place some enoki mushrooms or your red pepper strips right in the center of all those leaves. We are going to roll this and place it into that cucumber ring. So you want to cut a 1-inch piece of cucumber and hollow out the center with a knife. And we're going to roll up the lettuce bundle just like this and place it into the ring we just made, like a serviette in a napkin holder. As easy as that. Now let's trim off the end so that it will stand. Just like that. So if you're planning something special for yourself or your significant other, this is something you can easily do at home. I am just removing some of the sliced radishes to dry on the paper towel. Now I'll just mix it with some of the alfalfa sprouts. Select a plate and let's get on with the presentation. A plate like this or something rectangular would be great for this presentation. Begin with your alfalfa sprouts and your salad bouquet. Then start arranging the slices of beets. I like to mix the colors up to have some sort of contrast, make it look more interesting. Let's place the red and green onions right on top of the beets. Now for a sprinkle of those pistachios, as I mentioned earlier. Depending on the circumstance, you can dress your salad or place it on the side like I'm doing here. As a vegan option, as you know, you won't be using the yogurt dressing, so you could use a citrus dressing that will work well with the salad. And for variation, you can always add orange and grapefruit segments onto the salad, as I've done in the past. At this point, I just drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. It really is a simple salad. You can make it look beautiful with a little bit of presentation. Let's take a closer look at the plate we've created. I'm really happy with this plate. It's simple and straightforward, and I hope you like it too. For more videos, please check out Majid's Kitchen. Consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.